Hello students, all of you learn for exam. So our exam started. So next your paper is maths. So all of you learn for that. Here revision already completed. Now today I am taking again revision. Here first you have to learn the spelling. In fill in the blanks you have to write the spelling. That spelling you have to learn. Here a pictograph uses symbol or pictures to represent data. Here you have to learn the spelling of pictograph. A symbol is an image used to represent things or objects. So learn symbol spelling. Collection of information about any particular thing is called data. So in given revision you have to learn that one. Okay, you learn spelling. Next, here match the following. So all of you solve this problem and then match with correct answer. Do the practice of addition, subtraction, okay, then conversion of meter into centimeter, gram into kilogram. Okay, now here 3 kg means 3 kilogram 250 gram. You have to convert it into, then you have to match with correct answer 3250 gram. First you have to convert it and then match with correct answer. Here 69 rupees. See here rupees 69. See carefully here rupees sign is RS. It is same as this symbol. So in your exam there are write RS, that is the rupees. Here rupees means 8 rupees 25 paise. So here match with correct answer, that is 825 paise, means rupees converted into paise. Okay, so you have to convert it and then match with correct answer. Then next here you have to solve the conversion problem, that is convert rupees and paise into paise. When we convert rupees into paise, here you have to multiply by 100. So remember this one, if you convert rupees into paise, multiply by 100. So you have to solve this problem for practice. Then convert paise into rupees, we divide by 100. Okay, remember this one and solve remaining problem. Then here addition of rupees and paise. So see here 58 rupees 20 paise plus 20 rupees 75 paise. Okay, now in this problem you have to solve addition problem. Same here 58 rupees 20 paise plus 20 rupees 75 paise. Everybody know how to add numbers. So 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 2, yeah, 2 plus 7, 9, 8 plus 0, 8, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, so you have to solve addition problem. Then here subtraction problem is there, multiplication, division. So you have to solve it. Everybody know the multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So for multiplication and division problem you have to learn tables. Okay, then solve carefully. Okay, now here revision. In this revision draw pictograph. Okay, see the carefully given data and then you have to draw pictograph. Here in given data there are classes 1 to 5 and number of students. Okay, so you have to draw pictures for that. Here use one picture for 5 students. In this class 1 there are 30 students, so you have to draw 5 pictures. One picture shows 5 students. So here if 30 students are there, so one represent 5 students, so you have to draw 6 pictures. Like this you have to see carefully data and draw the picture. Then write down key that is this one picture shows 5 students. Okay, you have to complete it. Then draw a pictogram and a bar graph about the students of class 3 and the fruits they like. Use the smiley, that is one picture is equal to 2 students for pictogram. In this pictogram you have to draw this picture. Okay, here data, number of students and fruits means number of students are 12, they like apple. 8 students like cherry, 10 students banana, 6 students like guava, and 14 students like mango. So you have to see carefully and draw a pictograph and bar graph. In bar graph you have to use vertical line and horizontal line. You have to write on vertical line there are numbers, that is the number of students, and on horizontal line there are fruits they like, that is the apple, cherry, banana, guava and mango. And you have to draw bar graph. Then here you have to draw clock. In that clock you have to show time. Here 6:30, then 12:45. So you have to draw minute hand and hour hand. Okay, then answer the following. Here, on which day is Teacher Day celebrated? So you have to learn that. It's a very easy. Teacher Day celebrated on 5th September. So you have to learn here spelling of September. Then Children's Day celebrated on 14 November. So you have to learn spelling of November and remember that is the 14 November. Okay. Then how many days are there in a leap year? That is 366 days. Then how many days are there in a month of December? So 31 days. You have to learn that one. Okay. How many big division are there on clock face? There are 12. So you have to learn all revision. Okay. Then here word problem. You have to read carefully word problem, understood that and then solve it. Okay. Here one word problem. Radhika buys a pen for rupees 15 and notebook rupees 20. How much money does she get back if she gives rupees 100 note to the shopkeeper? Here first write down cost of pen, cost of notebook, then total cost of pen and notebook, that is the, you have to add these two numbers. Then 35 is then she gives rupees 100 note to the shopkeeper, means subtraction is there. So she get back 100 rupees minus 35. So here rupees 65 is there. So she get back rupees 65. So you have to solve word problem for practice from textbook, and you have to learn fill in the blanks, then answer the following. Okay, you have to do the practice of draw pictograph and bar graph. Okay, then you have to learn uh, tables for addition and for multiplication and division. Okay, so solve multiplication division problem for practice. So all the best all of you. You have to learn and do the practice. Okay, thank you, all the best.